In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up your survey, customize its look and feel, and share it with your audience. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Create button, usually near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This is where Mailchimp lets you start all kinds of campaigns, and surveys are one of the options. After clicking Create, you'll see a list of campaign types. From that list, select Surveys. This tells Mailchimp that you want to build an interactive questionnaire instead of, say, an email or a landing page. Next, click Get Started. At this point, Mailchimp will ask you to choose an audience. The audience you select is the contact list that your survey will be tied to. Pick the audience you typically use for your customers, subscribers, or test contacts. Associating the right audience is important because it affects how responses are tracked and how you can follow up later. Now you'll be taken into the survey builder. Here, you'll see a plus icon, usually represented by a small plus sign on the canvas. Click that plus icon to start adding your questions. Mailchimp offers several question types, such as radio buttons for single-choice questions, checkboxes for multiple selections, and open text fields when you want people to type their own answers. Think about what kind of data you need. Use radio buttons when you want one clear answer, checkboxes for select all that apply, and open text when you're looking for more detailed feedback or comments. Once you've added and arranged your questions, click Continue to Design. This is where you can really make the survey feel like it belongs to your brand. Add your logo if you have one ready, choose your brand colors, and adjust any headings or descriptions so they match your tone of voice. Clear, friendly instructions at the top of the survey can help people understand why they're taking it and how long it might take. When you're happy with the design, click Review. Here you can configure your survey name, which is useful for keeping things organized inside Mailchimp, and adjust notification settings so you can be alerted when people respond. Finally, click Continue or Publish, depending on what you see on your screen. Mailchimp will generate a shareable survey URL that you can send out directly, and you'll also have the option to embed the survey into an email campaign, making it easy to reach your audience wherever they're already engaging with you.